In this quick video, you'll learn how to replace the battery in your Chevy Spark key fob. You can replace the battery at home. You don't need to go to the dealership, and the whole process will take you under 5 minutes from start to finish. The only things you'll need to get it done are a regular flathead screwdriver and one CR2032 battery. If you don't know where to get one of these batteries, you can go check out the link in the description. That link will take you over to Amazon where you can get these particular batteries for just a few dollars. Now, the first step is just to flip this thing over and look down here where the keyring attaches. You can see right kind of on the back section of plastic, there is this little slot right there. So a little opening. Put your flathead screwdriver into that area. Make sure it is firmly in there. Don't hold down on the top because this is what we will be lifting up. Just kind of hold on the sides and just pry back gently until you feel it start to click off like that. Now from here, this side will open up first. Don't just go yanking that off because as you can see, it will develop a small crack right there and you don't want that. So continue in this area. You can see the slot there. Now that it's a little bit open, we want to actually go under that. Just a little bit. And just gently pry on this little, kind of pushing right under that piece of plastic there until the other side clicks off. And now you can just pull the back off safely. From here, we want to look, there is an arrow pointing for a space for us to put our tool into. A smaller flathead works better, but you can really use whatever you got. What we want to do is right next to this tab that is holding the battery down, so right there, you want to insert your flathead down and just gently pry, and the battery will come off. You can see I do have some damage to the wall of the plastic there. It's because this battery is very tight, kind of difficult to get off, and I've just done this so many times. The first time you do it, if you're gentle, you should not have any problems. And you should only need to do this every couple years or so anyway. So once you get your battery out, you can dispose of it. Make sure your new battery is a CR2032. And when you're putting it in, the positive side that has the plus sign should be facing up. So you'll slide it under this larger tab and then click it under the small one, positive side up. And now all we need to do is just pop this back section of plastic back on there. Oops. So just give it a squeeze. Make sure all of these little parts are back where they're supposed to be. And once you have that done, you are good to go. You changed your battery at home. You saved a trip to the dealership. And yeah, so I hope that was helpful for you. If it was, feel free to let me know down in the comments and or just by giving this video a like, which is always greatly appreciated. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, remember you can come back here to this channel. We have you covered with video tutorials for the devices for almost every make and model out there. And you can also get that information directly over at our website, fobbattery.com.